Hey, what's up, you guys? Tom is back with another LinScents video. Today we have a fragrance from Abdul Qurashi. Hopefully I'm saying that correctly, but before we get into that, just want to say thank you guys. Again, it is an honor to be playing on one of those electronic devices. Whether it's that cell phone, that tablet, that laptop, that Macintosh, that brand new big screen TV. Maybe you watch me at home, at work, on a plane, a train, or an automobile. Maybe you're watching me right now in the gym, pumping that iron. Maybe you're running a couple miles. Maybe you're on that bicycle. Maybe you're on that Stairmaster. Wherever and however you watch me, it is an honor. If you guys are new to this channel, you like what you see, hit the subscribe button, comment, and like. Likes are very important. In fact, I need to like the gym a little bit more so I can get in there. Eventually I will, and I will start with that following the vacation next week. So trying to get a last couple of videos in before the vacation. Again, probably will not be on YouTube. Maybe I can do something, take like a new fragrance with me on that boat and do a little review somewhere on that boat. But anyways, let's get into this fragrance again. Abdul Qurashi. Okay, now I actually got this sample from my favorite people down there in Chicago, the Intense Oud store. If you've never been, I encourage you guys to get down there ASAP. Now, they are closed on the weekend, so you're going to have to make time between Monday and Friday. But they are open until like 5 p.m. And they are very, very knowledgeable of their fragrances. They're very friendly people. So go check them out, again, if you're in the Chicago, Illinois area. And again, maybe you've seen a few of these and you live in Chicago and you're like, man, there's still blind buys. No matter what this guy says, there's still blind buys. Well, there's your chance to go in there and give each and every one of these fragrances a sniff. Now, this fragrance right here, I could have bought it, but I said, you know what? I want a sample of it first, okay? And they will give you plenty of samples. All you got to do is tell them that you know Mr. LinScents, and they'll probably let you leave with a few bottles of samples, okay? Now, they gave me this one. And again, you guys know, cheap. Super duper cheap. That's why I'm doing all these clones. Fragrances that are up my alley in price range. Now, I could just, instead of spending $150 on like 5 colognes, I could just get one bottle of a real good one. But you know what? Then I'd only have one video instead of 5 videos, see? And then I'd only have one fragrance instead of 5 fragrances. So that's the way I look at it. But anyways, let's finally get into this one now. This one is called Safari Extreme. See, they gave me this nice little decant of it right here. See, I can even take this with me on the cruise. This probably will not make it onto the cruise because this is probably a cool weather fragrance. Now, I could take this out for a date night because looking at some of these notes, I'm going to look at some of these notes and see what's going on here. Looks like it's, yeah, all those notes, raspberry, orange, saffron, spices, jasmine. Man, it seems like it's all over the place, though. Peach, nutmeg, this thing just has a lot of things going on. And see, here's the thing, you guys. Don't fall into the trap of seeing all these different notes and then saying, ooh, I gotta buy that. You're gonna smell all those. You're not gonna smell all those. You might catch whiffs here and there. You might get a little hints of some of these things. I might never smell this iris in here, but I'll probably smell the nutmeg. I might not smell the peach, but I'll smell that amber. Might smell the ylang-ylang and never smell the saffron and the raspberry. So with that being said, let's get into this now. This thing is quite expensive. I think it's like $200. It was $200 at that store. So maybe you ask them for a nice discount. You let them know I sent you. They probably will give you a little discount. But here we go. Looking at this, it looks like it's going to be a nice date night, sexy date night. So let's see what this is all about. Yeah, see, this is definitely strong. Ooh, been coughed that hard since I was trying to get out of work, sick. Man, this is this is strong, you guys. A lot of stuff going on in the air too. Just, it's kind of powdery, it's leathery, it's woody, it's spicy, all in the air. This is definitely
Is it unisex?
I would say it's unisex. I knew the wife was gonna go there.
That smells great.
I don't know though. I would say unisex, and yeah, this is probably about 50-50. Either, it doesn't matter if you're a woman or man, you want to wear this, you could definitely go on and rock this. You're gonna want to wear this on a a date night, sexy date night, maybe somewhere where you're gonna be dressing up. You're gonna want to wear this. This is definitely not going into the gym, going into the work office. No, no, no. This is not going into the construction site. No, no, no. This is going to a nice date night. Okay. Now, here's the thing. It smells much better in the air than on skin. And when I say it smells much better as in more people will like that overall scent that they get in the air than on the skin. Again, you got different elements that work with these fragrances, okay? That's why when sometimes people say they go outdoors, it smells different. You got different elements, okay? You go into the office might not smell like nothing, so you're going to get more of what you came here to inspect. But again, if you go outdoors, you got grass, you got dog shit, you got dog pee, you got cat piss, you got human piss, you got all this stuff, and it all plays elements into the role of that fragrance. Now, I'm definitely getting like this little subtle sweetness of raspberry. That could be that raspberry. Definitely getting those spices in that leather, okay? Here's the thing though. I'm not going to pinpoint the suede. I'm not going to pinpoint the sandalwood. I'm not going to pinpoint the nutmeg, the carnation, the tuberose. I'm not going to be able to pinpoint all that. All I can say is this fragrance does smell very, very elegant. It smells great, you guys. It really does. The problem here, and again, this is, to me, whether you're a collector, an addict, maybe you just have a few bottles, okay? This is more for the person with just a few bottles, okay? I think, like, if you had 20 bottles and you're looking for your next one, then you go and get this. But if you have, like, over 100 bottles, 200 bottles, you've probably smelled something similar to this, and you probably already have something similar to this. That's the thing when it comes to a huge collection like this. It becomes more of, to me, an addiction. You got plenty of fragrances that kind of smell similar. They give you the same scent profile, the same DNA. And then now you just kind of think about it and it's like, okay, I just spent $200 on one big bottle that this guy says is date night. Now, how many sexy date nights are you going to go on? And if you do go on those sexy date nights, but you still have like 30 other sexy date night fragrances, it's going to be hard to just keep picking this bad boy. So now for $200, it's probably going to last you for the rest of your life. Okay. But here's the thing. When you got that much, okay, and you're like 40 like me, do I have much more life to live to go through all this? Probably not. So if you got like 20 bottles of fragrance, kind of still young, maybe 30, 40, right there, because this says this to me screams a more mature man, more older gentleman, more older woman, for that matter. This says to wear this only on certain occasions. And unless you're going on those certain occasions every single day, maybe you don't have any other fragrances, then this will actually be a good value for you. But again, if you have a huge collection, you've probably smelt this already. You got leathery fragrances, you got fragrances with the saffron, the raspberry notes and stuff like that. So, in my humble opinion, as good as this fragrance smells, and I could say this is a $200 fragrance because I've seen the bottle in person. The presentation is very nice, okay? Everything about it is luxurious. The smell is luxurious. Everything smells, and it does smell natural. There was no blast of alcohol or anything in the air. There was nothing like that, so it's just pretty much straight oils, whatever it is in here. It's just, in my humble opinion, I don't think I could buy this myself. I like the sample. That's good enough for me. And again, that is because I just have so much. Okay, so again, if you don't have many fragrances, maybe you're not the huge collector just yet. Maybe you're on your way to becoming that. Then go right on ahead, okay? But then again, once you get that, and you start buying like 20 more, now you just pretty much just poo-pooed on the Safari Extreme, and now you're probably not going to touch it again for another 3-4 months. Who knows? But with that being said, I do like the fragrance. Definitely getting a little bit of that suede now, a little bit of leather. Now, suede and leather kind of almost have that similarity, you know. It's a nice fragrance. It's really good. It's a powerhouse, as you guys can see. Had me coughing over here. Had me coughing like the Undertaker coughing like the Paul Bear, if you will. Coughing. Not that type of coughing, but the other coughing. But I'm going to get up out of here. Again, very good fragrance. Just depends on how many fragrances you have, okay? Maybe you're trying to get something new, okay? Maybe something a little bit more different than just your typical spicy, chocolatey fragrances, the vanillas and stuff like that. Maybe you want something with a little bit more depth than you get this one. But if you have something with similar notes, honestly, I would just say for $200, maybe not. So with that being said, I'm going to get up out of here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. And if you guys did, hit the likes, comments, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Peace.